Wish I could get a better view of that. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, and that's a pileated woodpecker out there on one of my feeders. It's actually a pretty bird when it flies off, the different colors in its wings, and it's got that red head. Those are bird cakes that I made from bird seed and knocked gelatin and molasses. Stir all that together, put it in a little mold or a form. It's way cheaper than buying those cakes. So cool, we don't get these very often. This is what I do in the morning. Have my coffee and watch the birds. Nice, relaxing morning. Okay, little birdie, you gonna get a bath or you just gonna get a drink? Oh, you're off. He's hanging upside down. Get it, buddy. Peck away. You're dropping stuff, and then I'll have chipmunks down there. Peck, peck, peck. Oh, that quickly he flew off.